and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is a good week for food at Walgreens this week. One thing I'm gonna tell you guys is none of my digital coupons came off. So what I always do every time I have a problem with my digital coupons not coming off, I just go to Facebook, I message them, I say, hey, I bought these 4 items. This coupon did not come off, this coupon, this one, and I says, you guys owe me this much. And then what they'll do is they'll give you points for what they did not. I always put my phone number that's linked to my account and my zip code that's linked to my account, and they'll put that credit in your system. I did have a lot of items that did not come off, but I will share with you guys what did and did not come off so you guys can know ahead of time. Now there's also that spend 30, get 30% off. I did not do that deal. I don't know why I did. Maybe I didn't spend enough. I don't know. I just didn't do that deal. I'm thinking of doing that deal with some diapers. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that in case you guys want to get diapers. But some things I didn't get because I didn't want to spend that much with my digitals. But like I said, my digitals weren't working, so I don't know if that 30% would have worked. So I'm glad it didn't, I guess. So I don't know. But one thing that you guys can get free this week is the Snicker bars. Now, I don't know if they're still available on coupons.com, but we had some coupons, you guys. Definitely use that up. I could not use my employee discount with this. As you guys know, my husband works for the company, so I get 15% off of these items. But I did not use my discount for these, and all I had to pay for tax. So I got these all absolutely free. So the husband is very happy. They have peanut butter, and then they have almond butter. We like peanut butter, so I got those. So in case you guys want to do that, buy 2 of them, use 2 of those coupons. You guys will get them absolutely free. Yeah. The next deal we did is the Mitchum deodorant. Now these are 2 for $6. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons that I think we got from, was it the 6/16 Smart Source? You guys would end up paying $4 for the both of these, but then you guys would get 2,000 points when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1 a piece. So if you guys really like Mitchum deodorant, $1 a piece is the way to go. I have yet to use this stuff. I should try this. I should. I use Secret, but you know, I had used other kind and I broke out, so I'm very kind of particular on what I use. Now, there's still a lot of food deals that you guys can do. Now, this is the same deal you guys can do at CVS if you want to do it. I just did it here because I get a discount, so I get it a little bit cheaper. But these are $1.99 a piece. My son and my husband love the oats and honey, so I'm like, you guys can have it. So yeah, $1.99. You guys want to use $1 off a 2 printable coupon from coupons.com. You guys would pay $2.98 for the both of these. But then on Savings Star, you guys, if you guys submitted, or if you guys already had that added to your account, you guys can get $1 off a 2 on Savings Star, making these just $1.98 or 99 cents a pound, or 99 cents a pound, 99 cents each. So if you guys are really liking that, I mean, summer's just started and we've already gone on a lot of road trips, but these are great for like road trips or whatever, and they don't expire for another year, so we can actually use these for school too. So I'm sharing with you guys some more food deals. Oreos, you guys, I'm obsessed with these golden Oreos, you guys. I'm like on a pack a week. Yeah, I know, it's kind of sad. Husband's like, you don't need any more Oreos, you don't need any more Oreos, and I'm like, but they're so good. Like, I eat them when I just can't get anything, I just kind of snack on them.
And the white ones are my favorite.
Yeah, so these are $2.99. You guys want to use a 75 cents off a 2 coupon that we got, I think like 2 Sundays ago. You guys would end up paying $5.23 for this, but then you guys can submit $1 rebate times 2 on checkout 51, so you guys will get $1 back for each one, making it $3.23 or $1.61 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. I went to my grocery store yesterday. We went and got groceries, and they wanted $2.99. No, it was 2 for $5.50. So 2 for $5.50 or $2.99 a piece. So I'm like, that's great for being like Walgreens. That is a great deal. So my store only had one on the shelf, and I'm like, oh, I really like the double stuff the best. So I was kind of sad, and then I went in like their little promotional area, and they all were, and I'm like, yes, I got more. I got more. I was so excited. Be quiet, honey. The next deal we got is the Tic Tacs. Now these are on sale this week for 99 cents.
I do like mint.
Okay, so these are 99 cents. You guys, there is a 75-cent off digital coupon for this that you guys can use. My digital coupon did not come off, so like I said, I will be emailing those guys, messaging them on Facebook to give me the points. I don't beg for the points. I just say, hey, my digitals didn't come off, and they usually give you the points. So I just don't like sound needy or whatever. But you guys would just get this for 24 cents. So I think that's a pretty good deal. I like wintergreen, so I'm going to keep those in my purse. The next deal we got is the Poise. Now this is an all-month deal. I don't think there's any coupons.com coupons anymore, but we did have some in our inserts. So a lot of people are liking these. These are $5.99. You guys would want to use a $3 off coupon, or if you still have the $3 printables. There also was a $3 digital if you guys clip that. Plus there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys would get this for just 99 cents. 99 cents for this is a great deal. So I like stocking up on that. I got hair on my lip. Charlotte wants to say hello to everybody. Come here, baby.
Mommy, I'm down here playing fireworks.
Say hi, Miss Charlotte. Hi. Hi. She just wants to be with her mama at all times.
And I want to be my mom too.
Yeah. Okay, just give me one sec. She just loves hanging out with me. So the next deal we did is the Tide deal. Now my digitals did not come off. So again, like I said, I don't know if this is a wide problem or something, but yeah, my digitals did not come off because I even scanned them on my app to make sure the digitals would work for those items. So I ended up doing, did I not even do my math for this? I didn't even do my math for this, you guys. I feel like a freaking idiot. So anyways, these are all, at my store they are buy 3, get 1 free. It's an all-month thing. So these are $4.99 a piece. So you guys would get 4 of them. So I ended up getting 2 pods and 2 liquids. I was supposed to get the $3 off digital for the pods and the $3 off digital for the liquid. So if you guys bought all 4 of them and you just used both the digitals, it'll come out to be $8.97. I think it comes to like being, was it $2.24, I think, for all 4 of them, which is an okay deal. Like I said, if you guys have, what you guys could do is if you have 1 paper coupon, you could use 1 paper coupon and then the 2 digitals. But it's all up to you guys what you guys want to do. But it just depends. Or if you don't have any more digitals, it'll be $8.97 for 1 paper coupon and 2 different paper coupons. I don't know. I haven't seen the coupons because I don't get them. But $8.97 if you guys are interested with that deal. Yeah. I ended up getting some cereals. Now there's some really good Ibotta rebates, and I've been actually really wanting to try the Pop-Tart cereal. Ben and I are going to be doing another cereal taste test, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that. I just have to get a couple more cereals, but I've just been finding them like crazy lately. So once I find some deals, I'm going to probably do it. So if you guys haven't checked out the last cereal taste test, and then we also have a couple other taste tests that we're going to do. There's so many things I want to do with taste testing and everything, because I kind of just enjoy taste testing. It gives me a chance to try something. If I don't like it, I'm okay with that. But anyways, the Pop-Tarts, and then I also got the Kellogg's Honey Frosted Flakes. Now, there is a 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys can use, but like I said, it did not come off. So there's two different scenarios for these two boxes of cereal. Okay, so these are $1.88 a piece. You guys, if you had the 50-cent off digital coupon, it'll come out to be $1.38, or if not, just stay at $1.88. But then you guys can get a $1 rebate for this box of cereal, and you guys can also get a $1 rebate for this box of cereal. Comes out to be, with the 50-cent off and coupon included, comes out to be just 39 cents, or without the coupon, just 88 cents. So I always say $1 a box is a great deal. I don't even know if I should do, I might even try the honey frosted flakes. I don't know, but this is something I'm definitely going to do in my next taste testing video. We just have a lot of cereal we have to finish off from all those boxes of cereal that we got. So once we finish that off, I'll be getting more cereal, but there's a couple of different ones I want to try. I know I want to try the drumstick ones. There's a mermaid one that's out there. So stay tuned for the cereal video. It probably won't be for another couple weeks, but you guys, lots of taste testing videos. So there's that. Okay, then I was going to use my coupon that I had, but it was only for specific ones, and I'm like, nuts. So the coupon that I had, you guys could use it on Rice Krispies, and I'm going to take this home because my mom and I are going to make Rice Krispie bars when I go home this week. Or you guys can use it on cornflakes. My Raisin Bran wasn't on sale, and there was a couple other things that my store didn't have. So I ended up getting these both of these are $1.88. You guys would use that $1 off of 2 coupon that we got. You guys would pay $2.72. Now you can mix and match however you guys want to do this, but $2.76 would be the price you guys pay for both of these. There is a 60-cent rebate for the cornflakes, and there is a 55-cent rebate on Ibotta for the Rice Krispies. So you guys can mix and match. So I just needed a couple more rebates to finish level 2, and then I had this weekend warrior thing that I got, and there's like this $10 bonus, so that went towards that, and I ended up going to Walmart to finish my bonus that ended today. So you guys won't see that video till tomorrow, but I was just giving you guys, make sure you guys do those weekend bonuses. There's a lot of free money from Ibotta. So Ibotta is my favorite app. I absolutely love it, you guys, and I do have a referral link below. The one thing I do want to say is if you guys do buy any Kellogg's cereal, make sure you submit your receipt to the Kellogg's Family Rewards website. I should actually make a video for you guys for that, because you guys can get free stuff. You can actually use your points to buy higher value coupons, or you can get some like swag, I guess. So definitely do that. If you guys are interested in me making kind of a little Kellogg's Family Rewards video, let me know, because I'm always here to help you guys save as much money as I can, so definitely do that. But with these combined, it comes out to be $1.61 or just 80 cents a piece. So I'm like, whatever. So we are swimming in cereal. I have so much cereal, it's ridiculous. But you know what? I'm okay with that because we're getting cereal cheap, and I also am probably going to donate some cereal too. But another thing I want to share with you guys is the Renew. These are $7.99. You guys want to use a $4 off coupon that we have. Plus there is a $2 off, no, there's a $3 off. Let's see, where did I put it in my notes? There is a $2 off regular coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys would get these for $1.99. So my brother really likes these. He's like, oh, do you have any more of this? And I says, yeah. So I'm getting the stuff for my brother because I'm going to see my family this week. So I just wanted to share with you guys with that deal. That was my haul. Now I ended up getting the Gillette razors. I was going to do the same deal because I had a 5 off digital and I had a 6 digital. The digitals did not come off, so I just asked if I could just cancel the order, and she's like, yeah. I says I didn't want to spend $23 and then have them give me like $10 in points, and then I understand it would have been like a really good deal, but I'm just like, nope, I'm not going to do this deal. So if you guys have make sure you guys pay attention with your digitals. But my grand total came to $21.65 for everything. I ended up getting 4,000 points back. 2,000 was for the Mitchum, and then I think I had to spend so much, get 2,000 points, so that actually came off. So there was that. I got $3.65 back with Ibotta for the 4 boxes of cereal, and then there was a bonus where I think if you bought 2 of them, you would have gotten an extra $1 bonus. So I got technically $4.65 back with Ibotta. Checkout 51, or was it? Yeah. No, checkout 51. How did I get 365? It comes out to be like 2, I don't know, but I got a $1 bonus is what my app said. I got $2 back from checkout 51. That is for the Oreos, and then I'll get $1 back for Saving Star for the Oats and Honey, the Nature's Valley. Also, make sure you guys submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. I also got points for my Poise. I have a deal if you spend so much with Poise, you get points. So definitely do that if you guys have that. And then since I will be emailing them about points or stuff that they owe me, they will be giving me $7.25 back. Probably $8,000, I'm assuming, but $7.25 is what they owe me for digital coupons that did not come off. So if you guys add everything together, it comes out to be $2.75. I thought I bought 17 items, but I actually bought 21 items because I forgot the Tide. But with the 17 items, it comes to be 16 cents a piece, so that's a pretty good deal. So if you guys think about that, I got these all super cheap. So let me know if you guys are having problems with your digitals today. But like I said, just email them or just Facebook message them is what you do. So other than that, that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.